Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Nabila Dwi Putri, study number 0703188222716.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tira Putri Landa with number 006131182227064.
What did astronomers ask in the past to collect information from telescope?
In the past, astronomers used direct photography to collect information. They took pictures through telescope using special glass plates that could record the light from stars and other objects in space.
What was special about the glass plates as used in astronomy?
The glass plates had light-sensitive coating that helped capture the light from the telescope. They were strong, did not bend, and could keep information for a very long time.
Why did the size of the glass plates depend on the type of telescope?
Different telescopes have different size and field of view, so the size of the glass plate had to match the telescope to capture all the light that entered it.
Why did Whitfield telescope need very large glass plates?
Whitefield telescope could see a big a part of the sky at once, so they need large glass plates to record all the stars and objects in that wide area.
What was one advantage of using glass plates?
One advantage was that glass plates do not bend and can be measured very accurately. They also can keep information safely for a long time, so other astronomers can study it later.
Why did astronomers ask the long exposure times when taking photographs?
They use long exposures to let more light hit the plate. This helps faint stars and objects become clear and more visible in the photograph.
What was the main weakness of photograph plates?
The main weakness was that even the most sensitive plates could only change a small number of photos into an image. This meant that they could not use short expose times effectively. Okay, Nabila, why was photograph not very if signed for short expose?
Because during short exposure, only a few photons hit the plates, and only a small part of that light turned into an image. So the result was no bright or clear enough.
Why did Astrom continue to use photograph even with its problem?
Photograph was still useful because on photo could show a large area of the sky. It worked like a two-dimensional detector and helped astronomers collect a lot information at once.
What kind of telescope do astronom use today instead of direct photograph?
Today, astronomers use radio and X-ray telescope. These modern telescope and detect energy and light that the human eye cannot see.
How do astronomers see the image from modern telescope?
They can see the image on a television monitor connected to the telescope, which show a clear and enhanced view of the sky.
What happens to telescope data after it's seen on a monitor?
The data can be saved and later changed into digital form by a computer, so scientists can study it more easily.
What is the process of turning telescope data into digital form called?
This process is called image process. It allows astronomers to ask computer to study and improve the picture taken from space.
What is the purpose of image processing in astronomy?
Image processing helps astronomers see more detail in the picture. It can also show information that is invisible to the human eye by using color and computer effect.
Okay, last question. What are false colors and why do astronomers use them?
False colors are not the real colors of the star of or object. They are added by computer to rep- represent different kinds of energy, like X-ray or radio waves. So astronomers and better understand what they are saying.
Okay, thank you Nabila.
Thank you juga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.